Hello dear students, welcome to e-learning classes of P.N.AMERSEY High School. We will continue with our chapter number 14, Factorization. Now let us continue with our exercise 14.2, question number 3. Factorize the expressions. Students, here I will solve first, second, third, fourth and fifth, and rest sums you have to solve it by yourself. Now let us solve question number 3, first part of question number 3, ax square plus bx. So students, here first we have to find out the common factor. Here you can see x is the common factor. So first we will write a multiplied by x multiplied by x plus b multiplied by x. Here the common factor is x. So here we will write x in the bracket ax plus b. Now second part of question number 3, 7p square plus 21q square. So here also students, first we will find out the common factor. First we will write 7p square plus, here in the place of 21q square we will write 3 multiplied by 7, as 3 7s is 21 and q square. Now you can see 7 is the common factor. So we will write 7 in the bracket p square plus 3q square. Now third part of question number 3, 2x cube plus 2xy square plus 2xz square. Here students, it is clear that 2 is the common factor in all the three terms and x is also the common factor in all the three terms. So we will take the common factor as 2x, and now if we divide 2x cube from 2x we will get x square, as if we divide 2x cube from 2x we will get x square, plus here we will write y square, as if we divide 2xy square from 2x we will get y square, plus z square. Now fourth part of question number 3, am square plus bm square plus bn square plus an square. Students, here this sum I will solve in two ways. First we will take the pair of am square plus bm square. Here the common factor is m square. So m square we will write here, and then a plus b. Now the next pair we will take bn square plus an square, where the common factor is n square, and in the bracket we will write b plus a. Now b plus a or a plus b same, so we will write the common factor first, that is a plus b, and the next factor we will write as m square plus n square. Now the other way to solve the sum is, first we will arrange it and write am square plus an square. We will arrange these terms and we will form this pair, and then bm square plus bn square. Here in the first pair the common factor is a, and in the second pair the common factor is b. So here we will write a in the bracket m square plus n square, and then plus b we will write common factor, then m square plus n square. Now we will first write the common factor, that is m square plus n square, and then a plus b. Students, here you can see that in both the case the answer is same. Now we move to fifth part of question number 3, lm plus l plus m plus 1. Here first we will take the common factor of lm plus l, that is l. In the bracket we will write m plus 1, which is in the place of l, then plus the common factor of m plus 1 is 1, and in the bracket we will write m plus 1. Now we will write the common factor first, that is m plus 1. In the bracket we will write m plus 1, and then the other factor is l plus 1. Now students, question number 4, factorize. Here I will solve first, second and third part of question number 4. Now students, let us solve first part of question number 4. A raised to power 4 minus b raised to power 4. Solution for sum number 1. Now in the place of a raised to power 4, we can write a raised to power 2 square minus in the place of b raised to power 4, we can write b square whole square. Now students, here we can use the third identity, that is a square plus b square, a square minus b square. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर आप थर्ड आइडेंटिटी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो वी विल राइट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर, that is a plus b, a minus b. Now students, we have used identity 2 times, first here and next. A square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. Now second part of question number 4, p raised to power 4 minus 81. So first we will write p raised to power 4 minus, in the place of 81 we will write 3 raised to power 4, as 4 times 3 will be 81. So now here in the place of p raised to power 4 we can write p square whole square minus, in the place of 3 raised to power 4 we can write 3 square whole square. Now here also we will use the third identity as p square minus 3 square and p square plus 3 square. Now students, you can write p square plus 3 square first and then you can write p square minus 3 square. इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Now here again we will use the third identity. In the place of p square minus 3 square we will write p plus 3 and p minus 3, and here p square plus 3 square, here plus sign is there, so we can't use third identity, so we will write it as it is, that is p square plus 3 square. Now third part of question number 4, x raised to power 4 minus y plus z raised to power 4. Here students, in the place of y plus z raised to power 4 we will take m. Here we will write y plus z raised to equals to m. y plus z की जगह पर आप m यूज़ करेंगे, so we can solve it easily. Here we will write x raised to power 4 minus m raised to power 4. Now here we can write x raised to power 4 as x square whole square minus m square whole square. Now again we will use a third identity and write x square minus m square and x square plus m square. Now we can again use the third identity. In the place of x square minus m square we will write x minus m, x plus m, and x square plus m square we will write as it is, as we can't use the third identity here. Now students, what we will do, in the place of m again we will write y plus z. So here we will write x in the bracket x minus in the bracket y plus z. m की जगह पर आप y plus z लेंगे. Now again x plus in the bracket we will write y plus z. Then bracket close, x square plus in the place of m square we will write y plus z whole square, bracket close. Now we will open the bracket first. In the bracket we will write x minus y minus z, then x plus y plus z, and then x square plus y plus z whole square. Students, remaining sums you have to do it by yourself. Now we move to question number 5, factorize the following expression. Here also I will explain first and second part. Third part you have to do it by yourself. Now solution for first part of question number 5, p square plus 6p plus 8. Here students, the last term is 8 and 8 is not the square of any number. So students, we can't use the first and the second identity, as in both the identities the last term is b square. Here, as 8 is not the square of any number, so we can't use this identity, and we can't use the third identity as it has a square minus b square. So here we will use the fourth identity. Now if we compare here, we will write a plus b as 6, that is the middle term, and ab, that is a multiplied by b, is 8. Now students, here we will find the factors of 8 in such a way that if we add them we get 6, and if we multiply them we get 8. Students, we will find the factors of 8 in such a way that if we add them we will get 6, and if we multiply them we will get 8. So here the factors of 8 are 1 and 8. 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. So here if we add 1 plus 8 we will get 9, but we want 6 here, so we can't take this factor. Now we will take the other factor of 8, that is 2 and 4, and if we multiply 2 and 4 we will get 8, and if we add 2 plus 4 we will get 6. So students, we will take the factors of 8 as 2 and 4, as 2 plus 4 is 6 and 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. So here we will first write down the question p square plus 6p plus 8. Here we will write p square plus, in the place of 6p we will write 2p plus 4p. Here 2p plus 4p will be 6p, and then plus 2 multiplied by 4, as 2 4s is 8. Now students, we will form the pairs of two terms. Here in the first pair the common factor is p, so in the bracket we will write p plus 2, and in the second pair the common factor is 4, so in the bracket we will write p plus 2. Now we will take the common factor first and we will write it as p plus 2, and the other factor is p plus 4. These are the factors of this question. Now second part of question number 5, q square minus 10q plus 21. Now solution of this sum. Students, here the factors of 21 are 7 and 3. 7 3s is 21. So here students, we have to pay attention on the sign also. Here if we multiply a into b we will get 21, as 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. But now if we add 7 plus 3 we will get 10, but students, we need minus 10. So here what we will do, we will write minus 7 minus 3, as minus 7 minus 3 will be minus 10, and minus 7 multiplied by minus 3 will be 21. So students, here we have to pay attention on the sign as well. So what we will do here, we will take the factors as minus 7 and minus 3. Now we will write q square minus 7q minus 3q plus minus 7 multiplied by minus 3. Now first we will take the pairs of q square minus 7q. Here the common factor is q, in the bracket we will write q minus 7, and then we will take the next pair, and here the common factor is minus 3, so here we will write minus 3 in the bracket q minus 7. So students, the first factor, that is the common factor, is q minus 7, and the next factor is q minus 3. So students, these two are the factors of q square minus 10q plus 21. Students, third part of question number 5, you have to do it by yourself. So students, we have completed exercise 14.2 and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.